As a senior reliability engineer, running multiple counts where the black belt then becomes a requirement.
We have a lot of CRLs within JLL, a few hundred, I believe.
200. Yeah.
So it became this key piece that we felt was missing, that people could actually show the value of applying, the uptime elements in our processes by actually achieving these belts, because they become case studies that say, yes, I understand how to do a criticality analysis, and I've done it to this effect, and I've gotten these benefits out of it. The process of getting the belt leads you to say, I've encountered a problem that can be solved with the uptime elements. This is what I did using those uptime elements to solve that problem or to achieve more value. And then here's the benefits of that value that then gets reviewed by somebody else.
So I think there's something else there too, right? Using this as a mechanism for reward was super important to us, right? So the goal to be reached, get your CRO black belt, was to be able to come to IMC and actually make that reward. So, we use it as that mechanism as well, but being able to have those case studies to be able to continue to grow the organization, to make sure that we have longevity and sustainability within that space is pretty important. I mean, ultimately, it's part of the career progression for a junior RE to come in, right? So coming in and out of school, we have people that are just getting into the business, more understanding how to work in a corporate environment. Then you become a CRL. Then you get some exposure to actually the application as a junior engineer, working to a reliability engineer type role where maybe you're running or overseeing a particular application of an RCM strategy. Ultimately getting to a place where you're running multiple counts where the black belt then becomes a requirement. So there's absolutely a progression through tied directly to the uptime elements and supporting our framework.
Yeah, for a senior reliability engineer within our organization to come in and speak with confidence and have that behind them to say, yes, we're fully capable of pursuing these programs, showing the value of these programs both before and then after is really a key component to what we try to do.
And then coming to an event like this, we participated in Maximo World earlier this year, and then now we're here at IMC. We've got a number of potential speakers at the Reliability Conference coming up. So, using that as a mechanism for, again, rewarding our employees for doing a great job, but then the exposure to the broader audience and for us to share best practices, right?